Okay, this is how you make homemade kefir from store-bought kefir. You take a glass jar that holds 4 cups. You then fill it with 3 cups of 1% or 2% milk. You can warm it up a little bit to make it lukewarm in the microwave. Then you pour 1 cup of store-bought kefir into the jar. That'll top it up. Stir it with a big spoon. Put a lid on it, and then keep it in a warm location. The warmer the better. 75 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer at a minimum. And then you just leave it for a day or two and check it though every 6 hours, 8 hours, and when it thickens up, it's all done. It's done, and it's that easy. You can leave it a little longer if you want to make it stronger, more probiotics in it, or if you take it out early, then it won't be as strong. It'll be less probiotics. It'll be weaker, but it'll taste better. The longer you leave it in, the more sour that it'll become, but the more probiotic bacteria that will have grown will be in there because they eat the lactose and the milk, and there'll be more beneficial bacteria the longer you leave it in, to a certain extent. If it's not done within 2 days, something's definitely wrong. You just dump it out and have to go back to the drawing board. But I've been doing this for over a year now, and I make it every 2 days, and it works perfect every time. So unless you have a bad batch of kefir from the store, that happens very rarely, but once in a while your kefir will be weak. It'll taste the same, it'll look the same when you pour it into a glass right from the store, but it is weak. It's very rare, but it'll be weak, and then when you go to make it with your milk, it won't be strong enough to get a good colony going. So that's the end of this, and good luck to you. Okay.